welcome back to my channel. We are here in Bantayan Island and it is lunchtime, so we are going out. We are gonna check out the new CHICKA LOKA branch here in Bantayan Island, and I'm gonna take you with us, so let's go. Here with us today is Louie of CHICKA LOKA. Finally, CHICKA LOKA here in Bantayan Island. Congratulations!
Thank you!
So when did you open? Soft opening?
We had our soft opening just last Holy Week. So that was April 1. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so soft opening.
Yes.
What do you offer as of the moment?
Right now, we have 3 products. Of course, our Lechon Manok, the pork liempo, and our lechon belly.
Yes, lechon belly na lamig kaayo.
Yes.
Diba? Karon, i-mention naman yun natin sa inyong i-offer asa man ta makatilaw aning lamig kay nga pagkaon.
Ang atong store, it's here in Pook, Pook, Santa Fe. It's by the strip of where Sugar Beach, La Playa is located. So very near lang yun. It's around the Poblacion area.
Yes, gamay naman sa
Gamay ra kayo.
Island, no? Mga tanan lang.
Makit-an ra gyud.
Mga silingan asa na dapit ng CHICKA LOKA kanang yellow bitaw. Okay.
Kayo.
So inyong operating hours?
We operate lunchtime and dinner time. So we close in between. So it's 10 to 2 and 5 to 9.
Okay, 10 to 2 and 5 to 9. Yes. Do you do deliveries? Do you deliver?
Yes, we do free delivery to the resorts around Santa Fe. So, naalay number na tawagan, they can place their order and then we deliver to the resorts for free.
But they can also dine in.
Yep, they can also dine in here, yes. And then we also have the lechon belly. We offer like a package for island hopping, mga inana. So,
yes,
the lechon belly is big man, diba? So,
yeah,
they can bring it when they go out for island hopping and wherever they go for outing.
Perfect
Yes.
for summer, no? Why don't you invite everyone to come here?
Everyone, if you're in Santa Fe, Bantayan, please visit CHICKA LOKA here in Pook, Santa Fe. Very near, very yummy belly and manok.
Yes. So we are on our way back to our resort. Nahumanami og palit. I cannot wait to eat. By the way, I did a separate vlog on CHICKA LOKA featuring their lechon belly. If you haven't checked that out, I'll place the card right here and the link at the description box. Time to eat! CHICKA LOKA's lechon manok, belly, and we also have ISLABTINGAW's LABTINGAW nanukos and danggit. Stay tuned for my video on ISLABTINGAW. We will get to know, we will have LABTINGAW 101. Anyways, we also have the beach. Perfect. It's time to eat. That is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. See you in the next one. Bye!